everybody, I'm Bethany Petty, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Teacher's Crate Wearables, which is super exciting. If you're not familiar with the Teacher's Crate, they actually have two different types of subscription boxes. One of them is the Wearables, which is obviously things you can wear. The other one is the traditional box, and it comes with a whole bunch of cool stuff, like a shirt. There's like pins and stuff like that. And this is my youngest daughter, Molly. Molly is going to be helping me unbox, and my oldest daughter is our videographer today. So whenever you first open the box, then you're going to get, you're going to see we have a t-shirt. So let's take it out and check it out. It says, teach the change you want to see in the world. And it also has a snowflake on it.
Yeah, because it's the winter.
Because it's the winter box, right? Super cool, soft. And then we also have this adorable pair of socks, which says, what does it say, Molly?
I'm not a
regular
teacher. I'm a cool teacher.
Yes, so those also come in the box. So if you are interested in getting your hands on a Teacher's Crate box, be sure to check out my blog post about it, and you'll also be able to snag a discount code. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Bye.